Hey guys, wanted to quickly bring you guys the video that I promised to the traders about NVDA and drives. So let's take a look at NVDA. I am going to take this down here. I don't really use VWAP in the mornings. It just kind of clutter my charts, and I don't use actually anything in the morning because that just takes away from my attention. So I wanted to really quickly bring your attention to take a look at this. And someone asked me if it's a tier one gap. And tier one gap, you can get very aggressive on tier one gap. You can take a 1 minute high, even though it's not a strategy. However, it is the most aggressive entry with a great risk to reward on on your trade. So take a look at how this thing sets up. Look at this red bar right here. You got a nice base. You got a weekly chart that is extremely bullish, and that is your weekly chart. Look at this weekly chart. That's extremely bullish weekly chart. It's kind of breaking out of this weekly chart right here, and now it opens up over this red bar over right here. It's about nice gap. I'm not too really concerned about the percentage of the gap because that's more into details that I went over with the traders in the trading room. The why I'm not worried about it, especially in this case, and this looks like it's about to hit 86 bucks here. So take a look at this. You get a big red bar. Basically, the traders that are trapped here, let's suppose they're trapped here. They got long here. Traders that got long here, they put a stop right here. The stop's still holding. This is a 50-period moving average. It goes up, comes down, goes back, comes down. They are holding it. They're very happy because no one is going to sell it here. That's not what they're here for. They're here for bigger targets. So in the morning, you get some sell-off. Buyer steps in right away. Nobody's selling this stock. Look at this volume right here. Nobody's selling this stock. Above this, that's where I get long here. Above this candle, 79.65, I put a stop at 79 bucks. Let me show you where. Right over here. That's where you see it. That's where you see it. 79.65. I put out a call at 9:33, 79.65 by 79 bucks, and boom, we get out right over here into 81.55-ish area, right into this area. So get out of the trade. Beautiful trade, very nice, painless trade. Next one I wanted to bring to your attention is drives. And drives was a it was a fundamental play when stock goes from red to green and how you play it red to green. And I want to draw your attention here. If you go to it, I put this on my stock twits yesterday, as I'm always putting things out for the community here on stock twits, and I put it right here in stock twits, and I want you guys to take a look at it right here and right here. Let's take a look. This is drives, but I want to show you guys right here drives, and I put a lot of different stuff here. If we can find drives here, I know we can find. I just saw it. There it is. I said we'll be watching drives tomorrow for red to green day and continuation. Now let me explain that to you. This thing opens up right here, went red. Look at this right here. Above this area, this is the trade. First entry, aggressive entry, second entry right here. You've got a nice $14 entry right here, and boom, it blasts off. That's your drives for you. Beautiful trade here. Here's another one for you. ADPT right over here. ADPT looking for $10 move over 905, guys. I made a mistake. It's not 995 because I'm going to show you guys where. Right here I talked about it. ADPT over 905 can see quickly 10 bucks. Now, if you're a day trader, how do you take advantage of that? ADPT, let's pull it up. ADPT, that's your daily chart on ADPT. It's still at 950, but look at this move, guys. Look at this move. Look at this move. That's another 905 right over here. 905 blast off. And if you day trader 905, stop at 895, $10 stop, $50, 50 cents move, I think you'll be okay with that, right? So these are things that I do, these things that we do. So if you want to check us out, check out livetraders.com. Have a great rest of the day. Have a great weekend, and we will get back on Monday.